Hello friends, in this lesson we are going to learn English meaning of the Telugu word Dantlo and its usage. Dantlo means in it in English. It includes the words Dani plus Lone. Andalone can also be used for the same meaning. Normally, whenever anybody questions us about where to keep or put the specific things, we reply by saying Dantlo, which literally means in it. Suppose, if a person asks you about his book, at the time he may ask like this. Example, నువ్వు నా పుస్తకం ఈ పెట్టెలోనే పెట్టావా? Did you keep my books in this box? అవును, దాంట్లోనే. Yes, in it. Dantlo can also be used for the inclusion of certain small or minor things in a big or total thing. For example, taxes included in the price. Example, విమానం టికెట్టు ధర ₹5,000. దాంట్లో దాని ధర, వస్తు, సేవల పన్ను, సెస్ కలిసి ఉంటాయి. The cost of flight ticket is ₹5,000. It includes the price, goods and services tax and cess. In the above example, Dantlo in English meant it includes. So, anything included in a thing can be denoted by using Dantlo.